Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Great? Okay, so today we're gonna learn about the sounds inside our home, our house, okay? So sometimes we don't pay attention to the sound, like mommy cooking, or making juice, or cleaning the house. So let's start a game, and you have to guess the sound inside home. Okay? I will do a sound and you have to guess. Right? Okay, let's do it. Let's start it. Sound number 1. That is correct. Tap water. You are great. Sound number 2. This is a little bit hard, okay? But I will give you a tip. You do every day when wake up and you will go to bed. Before we're going to bed or when you just wake up. Okay, listen the sound. Yes, I knew you could do it. Brush your teeth. Is this sound? Okay, sound number 3. This is so easy and you do all the time, but you don't pay attention. Listen. Do you know what it is? Yes, that's right. It's a door opening. Right, correct. Okay, sound number 4. It's inside our bathroom. Listen. Do you know what it is? Yes, correct. Toilet. Sound number 5. It's a sound that moms does a lot inside the bathroom. Correct. That's a hair dryer. Mommy does a lot, right? Now a sound that Daddy uses a lot inside the office. Okay? So, listen. That is correct. That is not so easy, right? It's a printing machine. Okay, now a sound inside the kitchen, okay? What everybody does every day, you, daddy, and mommy. Listen. That's right. It's the sound of plates and forks when you are eating. So that's it, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I see you next class. Bye-bye.